Piping Fundamentals. 4. Fresher engineers. We have just completed a pipeline design. We shall rewind and check how it is really done in practice. First, the flow scheme is planned. 1. Is what? 2. From what point? 3. To which point? Pipe sizes are selected. Pipe material and pipe wall thickness are selected. Types of valves are planned. Also, the types of instruments required are planned. We represent the whole thing in a drawing, which is called piping and instrumentation drawing, in short P&ID. For P&ID generation we use Smart Plant P&ID, that is SPP&ID software. By this time you have already come to know that, while we prepare P&IDs in SPP&ID, we enter all the pipeline system information in the drawing. So the SPP&ID drawing is an intelligent drawing which under its surface carries all the information about a pipe, like pipe size, flowing fluid, etc. Let us see a P&ID prepared in SPP&ID. This is screen picture of P&ID made by Smart Plant P&ID. If we click on any line it will show the data embedded. After the P&ID is ready we start the layout work. Here we carry out pipe routing, or layout in virtual 3D environment. We use PDS 3D software to route piping in the plant virtual 3D space. We call this as piping modeling or physical design. While development of piping layout we have to consider the following. Piping from source to destination should be as short as possible with minimum change in direction. Should not hinder any normal passageway. Also should not encroach any equipment maintenance space. Preferable piping layout, not preferable piping layout. While carrying out pipe routing we also need to consider the following. Valves, strainers, instruments on the pipe should be easily accessible. If needed, separate access platforms to be provided to facilitate these. Desired location and orientation of valves or instruments and other pipe components are to be checked and maintained, like some valves or strainers can only be installed in horizontal position. Specific requirements for instrument installation to be checked, like temperature gauge cannot be installed in pipe which is less than 4 inch in size. Specific requirements of straight length of pipe for some components to be maintained, like for flow orifice we need to provide 15 times diameter of straight pipe length at upstream of orifice, and 5 times diameter of straight pipe length at downstream of orifice. Example of straight length requirement for flow orifice. For pipeline which shall carry liquid, we have to make sure that all air is allowed to vent out of the line when the line is filled with liquid. To achieve this, a vent connection with valve is provided at the topmost point of the pipeline. Also, arrangement is kept in the pipeline so that liquid can't be drained out if required. To achieve this, a drain connection with valve is provided at the lowest point of the pipeline. Pipes are also sloped towards low points. Let us look into typical vent and drain arrangement in a pipeline. Let us have a look into a piping model done by PDS 3D. This is a 3D model of feed water line along with pumps and other accessories. Thank you for watching. Hope you have gathered the fundamentals on the subject of piping.